Welcome to GameClass. The easiest way to get started is to simply find a lesson in our pre-built library that works for your classroom or your student. When you're in our library, it's really easy to filter through subjects at the very top. You can go to math, science, language arts, financial literacy, any tab you like. We also have trending tab, which is our best lessons at the very beginning. Once you find a lesson that you like, and you can hover over them to find the exact topic, video game, and even standards in the right-hand corner. Once you find a lesson that you like, simply click on it. And now you can play it in front of your student at home or in front of your entire class.
It's me!
Every lesson will have a video playback area. Sometimes there's a lesson plan you can look at. Other times there's questions you can download and then use for the lesson to print out as a worksheet. We have new content being added to our public library every single day. So we recommend checking in all the time to find, save, and preview your next favorite GameClass lesson.